Chippy, 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 chill! JunyTony! Put things back in place.
I can't find my doll. My doll is missing. JunyTony, I need your help.
Juny! Tony! Chippy, 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 chill!
Let's go and help our friend.
Why are you crying, Mia?
JunyTony, my favorite doll is missing. Now, let's find it together with us. Okay. Where are we? Is this a toy room?
Why don't we clean here first?
Yeah, I'll start organizing this side. Tony and Mia, you can do that side.
Okay.
I'm not good at cleaning. Ugh. With toys everywhere like this, it's hard to find what you need, Mia.
Yes, we'll help you. Let's organize it together.
Okay, so the robot goes here, the police car and the fire truck go here. Oh! I found my doll!
See? It's easy to find things when things are organized.
Yeah, thanks for helping me, JunyTony. From now on, I'll always organize my room. Wow, that's great, Mia.
I'm sure you'll do a great job.
Do you want to draw something?
Sounds good.
Here are crayons. Yay! So fun! We'll see who draws the best later. Yeah, I'll draw Snow White. Huh? Where is it?
Oh? What are you looking for?
I can't find a yellow crayon. I saw it earlier. Don't worry, let's find it together. Okay, we'll look at the crayon box. Please check if it's at your desk, Mia. Okay. There are so many things on the desk. I'll organize my desk while looking for the crayon. Sketchbook and fairy tales on the bookshelf, an eraser in the pencil case. Oh, I found it! My yellow crayon! Oh, what happened?
Did you find it, Mia?
Yeah, but...
Huh? It's broken!
My favorite crayon! Aha! I have an idea! Ta-da! I tied it with a ribbon. What do you think? Wow, it's like a new crayon. Thank you, Juny. I won't waste things and will always organize.
Promise?
Friends, always remember to put things back in their place.
If you don't leave it where it was, you'll always have to find it, and you may lose it.
Let's make organizing fun with JunyTony. Goodbye! Let's all put them back. Put them back in their place. Let's all put them back. Put them back one by one. Vroom, vroom, toy cars back in their place. Back in their place. Back in their place. Vroom, vroom, toy cars back in their place. Let's put them back where they belong.
Storybooks here and there, back in their place. Back in their place. Back in their place. Storybooks here and there, back in their place. Let's put them back where they belong.
My little messy room.
My little messy room.
Came so neat and clean. toy blocks back in their place. Back in their place. Back in their place. Colorful toy blocks back in their place. Let's put them back where they belong.
Pretty dolls here and there, back in their place. Back in their place. Back in their place. Pretty dolls here and there, back in their place. Let's put them back where they belong.
My little messy room.
My little messy room.
Came so neat and clean.
So neat and clean.
Back in the toy box, back on the shelf. It's my cleanup time.
Yeah!
Let's all put them back. Put them back where they belong. Yeah!
Chippy, 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 choo! Like
And subscribe.